So you missed it. Ready? Ready? Let's go. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, thanks so much for popping over. Today we're going to do some mystery pin unboxings, and we're actually going to be doing the emoji pins, and these are all the way from Hong Kong. Now there's actually 15 in the set, and I've got 3 tins, and each tin has got 5 pins in. So potentially I can do it. Will I? We'll see. But first I'm going to show you my ears. Look at my ears. They're from Blooming Pops from Vivienne. We've got Edmund. Oh, I nearly forgot there. Edna Mode and Jack Jack. And I didn't get to wear these on my trip with it being Halloween and the weather and what have you. So I wanted to wear these now to show you. But I will be doing an ear vlog very, very, very soon. So you'll be able to see them then. So yeah, these are my incredible ears. I don't have an incredible cut top. So I'm with my Pirates Spirit jersey, but it doesn't matter, does it? Right, so shall we have a look? So who can we get on here? And let me get a can that hasn't got the sold tape all the way around. So shall we try and guess who these are? This will be fun for me, won't it? So is that Elsa? Elsa the Snow Sister. We've got Mike, Sully and Woody. We've got Buzz, the Little Green Man, Nick Wilde and Judy Hopps. We have got Simba, Stitch and Bambi. And then we've got Belle Beast, Tinkerbell and Anna. Did I get them? Was that it? 4, 4 is 8, 16, I'm missing one, aren't I? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No, I'm not. I just can't count. You think it couldn't get any worse? It does daily. Right, you ready? Let's have a look. I've not opened any of these. I'm really excited. So I have none. I have no set to complete because I haven't got any yet. And I got these because I watched Princess Minnie, my friend Kate, and she opens these and I thought they were gorgeous. So it's her fault, Bill. Her fault, not mine. Oh, the lid does come off now. They're in clear bags, so I'm not going to look. The first one, here we go. Oh, these are really nice. These are in clear bags. Oh gosh, these are hard. I've got scissors on the table. I'm trying not to use them. Oh, I really like this. I've got the Beast. Look at that. Isn't he fabulous? What a really, really well done face. Because these pins are meant to be emoji pins, I think. But look at that. So is that an unhappy emoji? I think that's what it would be, unhappy emoji when it's so. That's the first one, so I love that. Right, next. And I have got Anna. Is that right? Anna. Oh, these are really nice. And this looks like a sad emoji. Oh, Anna. That's really sad. Aren't these fabulous? Oh, I really like these, and these are really a nice size as well. Oh, I really like these. Really like these. Okay, next one. Oh, I saw it because I didn't put the lid back on the tin. So now I'm not looking as I'm opening it, which is a bit daft when I know what it is, isn't it? But still, there you go. Daft. For anyone in America, you probably don't know what daft is. Daft is like silly, but like funny. So it's a bit daft. Silly funny. So that's the best way of describing it. Right, and there's Simba. Look at him. Why have they got the little water mark on them? Must be part of the emoji. Oh, he's worried, isn't he? That's what that is. That's a worried emoji. Oh, I really like that. I like the fact that one's got glitter in. Arna's didn't have glitter, and Beast, he didn't have one. But that's a worried emoji. Oh, I like this. Right, okay, next one. I got Woody. He's just like happy. Is it a laugh? I think this is a laughing one. I love the glitter in his hat. This is what I love about the Hong Kong pins. They've all got just that bit of bling, and I love a bit of bling. Can you see the glitter in his hat? Oh, isn't that lovely? That's a happy emoji or a laughing one. Oh, I love that. And the last one out of this tin. Oh, what they do? Oh, I forgot. Look, this is what I like. They put the little lists in, so you can figure out who you actually have and who you haven't for trading. So if you don't know who they are, you got a picture, so it's much easier. So I like that. Right, last one. Another one of my collections. I like this. So I don't know if that we can see them though when we open them. I don't know why they do that. And we got Sully. Look at him. Look at Sully. Oh, turquoise is my favourite colour. Turquoise and cerise pink, but more so turquoise. The colour of the sea in the Caribbean. Oh, that's really nice. I really love that. I don't know what emoji that is. Oh, that's really nice. Right, so that's the one gone. So it's a box. When you see them for sale on the sites, the boxes always look really big, and I'm like, how are they going to get them here to me in the UK? But they only look little tiny things. So those are nice, those are. I like those. I'm not going to throw that over my shoulder, because if I throw that, I'd dent a hole in the cover, wouldn't I? Imagine. Karen, why is there a dent here on the cupboard? Well, Phil, I don't really know. It must be Blake. Might have used that one before. Right, box 2. And I'm not going to let this one. Oh gosh, these are hard. I've got a seal on. You don't really need it. Right, okay. So I'm not looking. I'm just tearing the bag. It's really hard. And we'll do it to the camera first. Should I close my eyes? Yeah, close my eyes. Here we go. Oh, we got another Sully. Oh dear, so I've got a trader. So that's one trader. So I'm not going to complete the set today, am I? And this one, it's got big sharp points. So I think it's Nick Wilde or Tinkerbell. I go, oh, it's Nick Wilde. Focus. Look at that, look at the sheen on them. That's what I love about these Hong Kong pins, the sheen, and I think the quality is really, really good. Even though they're a mystery set, I just think the quality, in my opinion, it's superior to mystery boxes in Florida. That's my opinion. I think the quality is much better. Oops. That is, unless you throw them on the floor. Let me just go and get him. I'm back. He's back. We're in one piece. That's all right. What do you like, Karen? Right, next one. Yeah, some of the mystery boxes, like the Tsum Tsum villains. The paint wasn't shiny and it was a bit matte and could have been made a bit better. Right, who's this? Ah, I know this is. It's the alien. Look at that. Oh, isn't he amazing? Oh, I love him. Oh, I'm so glad I got him. Oh, that's lovely. I'm really pleased, I'm really pleased. Right, what's next? These bags are really hard, even though they're clear. And you try not to look. I'm trying so hard. What's this? Oh, I've got an Elsa. Oh, look at that. Is she crying? She's winking. It's a wink emoji. I use a wink emoji a lot on my phone, so. Lovely. That's lovely. Right, I've got any more in this box. Paper thing. One more, is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I don't think I've got this one because this is a long thin one. I don't know who this is. Who was long and thin? Or am I just going the wrong way? Oh, I've got Judy Hopps, look. Nick Wilde with Judy Hopps. Look at the bling on her hat. Oh, that's fabulous. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, I do really like that. These are really nice pins. Thanks, Kate. I'm gonna have to get another box or two, aren't I? I really like those. Right, we've got one more box. So at the minute we've got one double. So that means the 6 pins I need, and I've got 5 in this tin. So, how lucky will I be? Oh, that one came off easier. Oh no, this is when it gets nerve-wracking. Will you have double boxes or... I have got a double box, I know exactly what this is. It's another alien! These are just so lovely. Really like these. Really like those. Oh, well, we're not going to complete it then, are we? So, next. What we got? Oh, we got another Nick Wilde. Oh dear. This is where the duplicates happen, isn't it? What's this now? Oh, and I've got another Sully. How many Sullys can the girl really have? And we've got, oh, and I've got another Judy Hopps. This might be a bit of a duplicate box. Another Judy Hopps. The last one. And this is a duplicate. I've got another Woody. Oh well, I've got 9 out of the 50, which means I need another 2 boxes, don't I? I have to get another 2 boxes of these. But I do really, really like these pins. And there's my another Woody. I really, really like these. I think they're really lovely. Also, I'll put a close-up in a minute of all the different pins so you can see them close up. But thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe link at the end of this video if you haven't done so already, if you're not subscribed. And click the notification bell as well, because that way then you'll get a message saying when I've uploaded a new video. Then you won't miss out on any. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that. I really like these pins. I've got to get some more of these pins. And I get them off Pin Trade Tracy over in Hong Kong. She's fabulous, so I'll get some more of those off her. But thank you so much. If I don't see you real soon in the parks, I'll see you real soon on video. Take care of yourselves. Have a wonderful day. See you later. Bye.